Hi guys, in this video I'm going to introduce this 12 outlet RGB power strip tower. So this is from the company called Eshldty.com, and it's very cool. It's got this RGB power strip. Here's the description on the website. I'm going to go show it to you in person so you can see exactly what it is. So here's the box for the T1 power strip. So there's the 12 port. So you can see it's got 4 on each side, 12 outlets, and on the bottom it's got 3 USB ports and a Type C USB port. Here's a little more information about it. The cool part is the music rhythm light. So you'll see in a second how it could dance and change colors to your music. So over here is the light. So this is the touch control switch, and over here are the outlets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right over here is the 3 Type C's. There's the 3 USBs and 1 Type C. On this side, you can see it's got a weather-resistant power switch, so you can turn it on and off. It's very easy to turn on and off. It lights up, but it doesn't get any water inside because it has this protection over here. So you can see over here, it's got different colors, and you could long press it for 2 seconds, and it'll change the colors. So we're gonna do 1, 2. So this will cycle between different colors, and then you could get the rainbow color, where it basically keeps changing colors. And this is on all the 3 parts of the tower: the touch control switch and the bottom triangle. It's also got the music rhythm one, where based on your music or your voice, it'll basically change the directions of the, change the colors. So you can see right here, it's like not doing anything, but when I talk or play music, it'll move. Dum da dum bum bum bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see, based on the music, it'll change it. The lights and everything. It's very cool. And you can also just turn off the color completely if you don't want any lights to light up your room if you use it in a bedroom or something. Let me just turn off the lights for a second so you can see how it looks. Lit up. Well, this is not all the lights. So you can see how it lights up the room. It's very cool, the different colors. And so that's all it is. It's really simple to set up and to use. It's great for playing music, or just in an office, a home office or anything. It makes it fun to use your power strip. And it's got a great, it's a surge protector also, so it'll protect all your equipment from getting any damage. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.